Hello, my name is Jeba and today I'm gonna show you 3 ways to set up your new iPhone from your old iPhone. The first way is direct transfer. Start by turning on your new phone with your old phone close by. After you select your language and country, a quick start menu will pop up on your new phone and your old phone. It will then direct you to hold your old phone's camera over your new phone. Then enter your old phone's password. It will then prompt you to set up Face ID. After that, press continue to transfer data from your old phone to your new phone. Accept the terms and conditions. You can decide if you want to enable or disable location services and if you want to set up Apple Pay, Siri, or if you would like to share analytics. After this, data from your old phone will transfer to your new phone. This took me about 12 minutes. While the data transfers, I'll take a moment to thank you all so much for the love in my last video. I am blown away and so grateful to have gotten such a positive response. And to my new subscribers, welcome. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jeba. I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and the occasional how-to and tech video like this one. Make sure to subscribe for more. So the phone is continuing to set up. And now, as you can see, when my phone turns on, it is a duplicate of my old phone. Some apps are still loading, but all my data have copied very nicely. So to finish up the setup, you will need to switch your SIM card from your old phone to your new phone. You can use the SIM ejector tool that comes with your phone to do this. Make sure to turn both phones off when doing this. You don't want to insert or eject a SIM with your phone on because it can damage the SIM or the phone. Use the ejector tool to firmly push in and the SIM tray will pop out. You can then switch the SIMs and turn your phones on after. And now your new phone is set up. The second way is to set up your new phone from an iCloud backup. You will have to back up your old phone to iCloud. To do this, go to Settings, your name, then iCloud, and then scroll down to tap on iCloud Backup. Wait for your backup to finish. Once done, turn on your new phone and follow the prompts. At Quick Start, press Set Up Manually, then Continue. I didn't set up Face ID, so I just picked a temporary passcode. After this, you'll be shown a couple of options. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup. You will have to log into your iCloud with your username and password. It will then send a verification code to another device in which you're signed in with that Apple ID. Accept the terms and conditions. It will ask the passcode of another one of your devices as a part of the 2-step authentication. In the next step, choose the most recent backup. Follow the prompts. Then your new iPhone will restore from the backup and it will restart when finished. And as you can see, my new phone has copied all my data from my old phone perfectly. The third way to set up your new phone is to restore it from an iTunes backup. You will have to back up your old phone to iTunes on a Mac. Connect your phone to your Mac. I used an adapter since my Mac doesn't have a USB port. Open iTunes, enter your password, and ensure that Encrypt Local Backup is ticked off. This will save all your saved passwords. Then just press Backup Now under Manually Backup and Restore. This can take 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, turn on your new phone, choose Setup Manually, and then continue to follow the prompts. After, when shown a couple of options, choose Restore from Mac or PC. You will be directed to plug your new phone into the laptop that you used. My cable this time plugs in directly. After, click Restore Backup under Manually Backup and Restore. Choose Restore from the most recent backup and enter your password, and then your new phone will restore from your old phone's backup. By the way, let me know which color you got your new phone in the comments. I got the gold phone. Make sure to check out my unboxing after. Your phone will show the restore in process. Let it finish. After, when it turns on, enter your phone. It will show that the restore is complete. Then log in with your Apple ID and enter the verification code. It will then request your iPhone password if you have two-factor authentication on. Follow these prompts as directed and then your phone is all set. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Give this video a like cause I set up and erased my new phone 3 times. Make sure to subscribe and have a very wonderful day. Bye!